Oh my god, that was one of the scariest flights I've ever had. I got down to 2 seconds of flight time. This is Portland, Maine. Oh my god, that was one of the scariest flights I've ever had. I got down to 2 seconds of flight time, and I landed it that second. I landed it. But it was an auto landing. It was trying to land over the ocean. And I started, that's like panic time. But I kept like cancel. I'm glad it like allowed me to interrupt it and use the last minute of battery to get back. As you can see here, like, I mean, 14.4 volts, but 3 are yellow. 3 of those are yellow, and if I go back, right there, 0. There must be a smidge of, absolute smidge of extra battery, but it's like you don't run a car at 0. You don't run your drone over the air at 0. Oh my gosh. Should be crossing over into Massachusetts right now. Or no, my bad. New Hampshire. Oh my goodness. Here's New Hampshire. Auburn, Massachusetts, Supercharger coming up here on the right. There's passing the Rockets football stadium on the right. Auburn Mall. It's a quick stop. 20 minutes. Not even really enough time to grab lunch. I have to make a write-up of this one. This one, Supercharger near a mall, but it doesn't really have much for food. The thing I was considering was Subway, but I'm kind of grossed out by Subway. I've had too much. Where are we at? Oh, wow. Next stop is Albany, New York. Oof. We really hope they start rolling out the 250. Same time though, it's proprietary though, so I'd like to see EVs. I'd like to see EVs take off, but I don't really want to see just the whole country being laced with Tesla, and then, which is what's happening. And not that I'm against Tesla, I just feel like there's should be more competition. Competition is a good thing for customers. And my worry, like a lot of times when I talk to people about electric cars, is they go on about, well, once everybody adopts to this, it's just going to cost more money. And that's kind of a good possibility. I think we're still in the early adoption stage, so at least I think it'll be a while before it would be a major impact, though I think it's going to start becoming an impact in the next few years, and then but like 5 or 6 years, yeah, I think the cost of electric could go up, but within reason. Otherwise, from a cost standpoint, it's like people aren't going to want to do it. It'd be performance and environmental reasons. It's like $25 to charge. But there's still, like, continues to be a trend with free charging. Doing research, I ended up charging up almost all the way to 80% here. I better get going here. This is the Supercharger in Lee, Massachusetts, but better get going. Nobody. Windy AF today in New York State. Rolling up to Utica, New York, Supercharger. I'd like to be using my action camera, but been having some issues with it, so I had to switch to my Pixel phone. It's been a warm day. Warm day for February. Oof. That's like my most popular word in these videos. Like, oof. Okay, there's the BK Lounge. That's always an option. This one's like a strip mall Tesla station. Need approximately 53% charge to have a 20%. Yeah. So that'll get there negative 33 right now, so I need... Well, no. My math's wrong. Good. This doesn't look good. Oh. Huh. That works. That's resourceful if the hanger broke. I was really hoping to use the Canadian chargers on this trip, but they're just so far north, and one of the most important ones north of Michigan is still down. Had it up for a few days on my trip, and then it went back down, so I'd be really cautious to risk getting stuck in northern Michigan just to try them out.